Oh, okay. Hello, guys, and welcome to. That's just beautiful croaky voice right there. My video, and this is how to make a modern, easy house in Minecraft. All right, let's just get. I hope you subscribe and give it a like. And let's just get right into this video. Okay, the materials that we'll need is oak planks, white concrete, chest, crafting tables, furnace, bed. We don't need these oak slabs. I just had it in my inventory for some reason. Oak log and oak doors. Alright. Now, first we will start with a 8 by 10 base for the house, and then
Come do 2-player. Be like 2-player on Google.
And alright, let's just start building that part first. Alright, and we will use that with white concrete. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is 8 by 10. Alright.
I want to see that other house.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What? Okay, alright, that's just a bit weird. Alright, now we will do this last bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright. The entrance is going to be right here, as you can see over there. And then we will break the corner blocks. For some reason, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, I made a mistake here, guys. Just like, don't mind it, because like, people make mistakes. So, there we go. Now, yes, we will break the corners and fill them in with oak logs. Alright, here we go with our oak logs. And we will place 1 for all at the bottom, and then go 3 more up. 1, 2, 3. We have to do that with all the others. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There. Did not see that coming. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and there we go. Now we will break the top oak logs.
She's outside.
The cubes, whatever. And now we will fill them with white concrete. And go across for all of them. Alright, here we go. This won't take a while, just break that block and go to the last bit. This is what the thing should look like now. This is what the house should look like. Alright, next we will fill in the gaps with windows. With grey glass panes. Alright. grey stained glass paint.
That what?
Alright. And let's just fill in the gaps right now. Ah, block fail. This is so sad. Alright. And we will fill them by 2 blocks. Oh, sorry guys. I'm just making a lot of mistakes today. Really. Okay.
Not me.
Okay. Now for the last bit, we will fill in the back. Ooh, block fail again. Again. Man. Alright. Let's do this. And there we go. Now we will place in the entrance with 2 oak doors. And what did I do with this part? Yep, I put grey stained glass panes on top too. On top of the doors. And there we go. Now, we will fill in the roof with white concrete as well.
Really.
That's just my brother Debem in the background. Don't mind him. It's a nice day today, gotta say. Hey, that kind of rhymes. It's a nice day today, gotta say. No, not really. I don't know. Okay. Alright, and for the final bit, for the final block. Okay, now we will go inside and fill in the floor with oak planks. Okay, here we go. We've just got to break. Alright. Alright, and there. Now we will start filling it in. Okay, guys. Alright, final block of the floor. Here we go. Alright, that one is done. Okay, now we will fill in these gaps over there that I just broke with oak planks. And on the left side of the house, we will place a crafting table on the left and on the right. And fill in the gaps between that with furnaces. Oops. Alright. And And for the other side, we'll do a double chest on the left, double chest on the right, and 2 beds in the middle. And guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and leave a like for this video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it.